Dear students and viewers, now we shall start a new chapter, Integration Part 2. Part 1 is already published and discussed some problems, some basic problems and fundamental problems. You must learn it. The link will be available in the description. Okay, and in this chapter we will mainly learn method of substitution, detailed method, and another is shortcut method. This is very important all over integration. Shortcut method is very important all over integration, also this portion. Okay, let us start. Detailed method, right? Look, problem number 12. Here it is necessary to know problem number 1 to 11 is discussed in part 1. You must watch those problems to learn the basic, and then you should follow the part 2. Okay, here we have 2x. Okay, this is not simply cos x. We have 2x, 3x, 5x, 7x, like this. So what should we do? Here we let 2x equal to z. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2 equal to dz by dx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have 2. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of z is dz by dx. Then by cross multiplication, we got 2 dx equal to dz. Okay. Then the value of dx is half dz. Then value of dx will be there. Okay, half will be in outside. Then we have cos z dz. Then this is very simple. Cos z, integration of cos z will be sin z. So this is the situation. Then put the value of z again and get the final answer. That's all. Okay, by substituting this 2x equal to z. Then problem number 13, similar problem. Here I should mention another thing. One shortcut is needed here. This portion will be deleted now. This portion will be deleted now. Just from this 2x equal to z, we write 2 dx equal to dz. Similarly, here we have 7x equal to z. Let 7x equal to z. Then what should we write? Like this, we should write 7 dx equal to dz, quite similar to this one. Okay, this is a shortcut actually. Then dx equal to 1 by 7 dz. Put it here like this. Okay, integration sin z is minus cos z. So we have this, and finally put the value of z, we got the answer. Okay, and this is completed now. Problem number 14, similar problem, e to the power x. This is the type of e to the power x, So 5x equal to z, 5x equal to z, similar case, 5x equal to z, then dx will be 1 by 5 dz. Okay, put the value of dx equal to 1 by 5 dz, then we get this simple function e to the power z with respect to z. Okay, then put the value of z and get the answer. Okay, you get it certainly. Next we have the shortcut method, very crucial all about the integration chapter. Look this, what happened in answer? Question and answer. What happened there? What is the change in answer? We are now telling about shortcut. Differentiating 5x, it is 5, then divided by 5. Differentiating 5x, we get 5. So put 5 in denominator. Just this is the shortcut. Okay, like e to the power 5x dx, integration e to the power 5x dx will be e to the power 5x by 5, quite similar to this one. Very easy to learn, very easy to follow. Okay, you get it? Now another problem, sine 7x, then 7x is like x, 7x is like x, then sine x. This will be cos x by differentiation of 7x. It is actually 7. Then put it 7 in denominator. Okay, you got the answer, direct answer. Okay, problem number 17, cos 2x. What will be the answer? Can you say? Cos 2x, this is x, so differentiating 2x we get 2, so answer will be sine 2x by 2, right? Plus c everywhere, plus c. Then problem number 18, this is actually x. We can consider 1 plus 2x is x. Integration of x to the power n. X to the power n, we can write x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. That is 1 plus 2x whole to the power 5 by 5. Like this. 1 plus 2x whole to the power 5. 1 power is increased and the power will be there. Okay, according to formula. Then differentiating this portion 1 plus 2x, we get 2, so put the 2 in denominator. Okay, and we get the answer, right? Then let's learn more problems, more complicated but easy. Complicated but easy. Look, cos square x, we need a 2 to have a formula, so we write 2 and adjust it by 1 by 2. So 2 cos square x is actually 1 plus cos 2x. From trigonometry, you must know all the formula from trigonometry. So 1 plus cos x, then distribute, okay, separate, 2 integration, then integration of this will be x like this, and this will be cos 2x will be sin 2x by 2, and this half is outside. Final answer is this. Okay, final answer is this. Okay, problem number 20, partially similar to this. First of all, we distribute this, okay, then cos square x dx, sin square x dx. Then we need a half and 2. We need a half and 2. We write it. Integration dx is x. Okay. Then half and 2. We adjust here, and we have a formula now. 2 sin square x. 2 sin square will be 1 minus cos 2x. If it is 2 cos square, then plus. If it be sin square, then it is minus. Same formula. It is minus here, like this. Okay, then distribute two functions again, and integration of this will be 1 by 2x, and half is outside. Cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Okay, differentiating 2x, it is 2, put it here. Okay, finally we got the answer. This is the answer, right? Problem number 20 is gone. Problem number 21, two functions like u into v, but we don't need to consider this as u into v. We have a formula 2 sin x cos x, so make it 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, like this. 1 by 2 is adjusted, so 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, so write it sin 2x. Then very easy method, sin 2x, integration of sin 2x will be minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, and final answer is this. We got the answer. Problem number 22. Here it was sin x cos x. This portion is same, x, x. But here it is here it is 8x 2x, different. So we have another formula, sin a cos b. So we need a 2 sin a cos b, like this, 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b, we have a formula in pattern 2. I mentioned in trigonometry video part 1, it is group 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. Okay, 2 sin a cos b is actually sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. You must know this in calculus. 2 sin a cos b, so sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, then the result of this portion will be sin 10x sin 6x. Then distribute these two parts. Okay, then integrate sin 10x sin 6x as earlier. Okay, so you got the answer of this and you got the answer of that. Finally the answer will be this. Okay, problem number 23, a bit hard but easy if you know the formula. Here it is sin square x, it is sin square x. Okay, so we put a 2 here and adjust it by 1 by 2, like this, 2 sin square x, 2 sin square x. So we know 2 sin square x is actually 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x. 2 sin square x is actually 1 minus cos 2x. Then other portion is, okay, multiply cos 2x, multiply cos 2x. Then we got cos 2x minus cos square 2x. We need a formula here again, so distribute it like this. Look here, we introduce another 2 by 1 by 2. Why you make this adjustment? Because we need a formula, 2 cos square 2x, 2 cos square 2x. So this can be written as 1 plus cos 4x, double of this. Okay, 2 cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x, double of this. Okay, then integration of this portion is already done, and this portion will be integration of 1 integration of cos 2x. This will be actually this 1 by 4 here, 1 by 4, and then x integration of 1 with respect to x is x, and again 1 by 4, this 1 by 4 integration cos 4x sin 4x by 4. So final answer is 1 by 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 4x minus 1 by 16 sin 4x plus c. Right, we got the answer. So sometimes you have to face some critical or large quantity to maintain. Okay, and using the formula of trigonometry we can gradually solve the problem. Right, 24, another problem. This is quite different from others and very important, 1 by 1 plus sin x. What can we do with this? 1 plus sin x, we have no formula, 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x, we have no formula right now. So we do a special operation like this, multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin x. By this we get, in denominator we have 1 minus sin square x. Okay, then 1 minus sin square x is again cos square x. So we have 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x, separating 1 by cos square x sin x by cos square x. Okay, separating. Then this portion will be sec square x and this portion will be sin x by cos square x. So sin x by cos x and 1 by cos x. Sin x by cos x and 1 by cos x. Like this. And sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x and 1 by cos x is sec x. Okay. From this portion we will get 1 by cos x, which is sec x, sin x by cos x, which is tan x. So integration of sec square x is, from part 1, integration of sec square x is actually tan x, and integration of sec x into tan x actually sec x. So we got the answer. Okay, integration of sec square x is tan x, integration of sec x into tan x is sec x. So that's all. We learned two methods. One is detailed and another is shortcut. Both are necessary for integration. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.